Hello guys, today I'm going to do another presentation task for you. So I have already selected one of the tasks and I have already downloaded the source files and also the question paper. I will provide the link in the description from where you can download the source files as well as the question paper. You can just see my demonstration and follow along, follow my lead just by downloading those source files and practice along. That is going to be more productive for your preparation. So let us start this presentation task. I have a question paper. So I'm just going to open the question paper and I have to scroll down all the way to the presentation part. And this presentation part is after the mail merge. So you can see that in page 11, task 5 is for the presentation. So let us start. So you're required to create a short promotional presentation. Import the file j226promotion.rtf, placing the text as 6 slides in your presentation software. So I have to open my presentation software. So I'm just going to open my PowerPoint. So once I'm going to open my PowerPoint, so I'm just going to click on open and then I will navigate myself to my source files. My source files in this case are located on the desktop. So here is the source files. But once you navigate yourself to the source files, you will see there is no item visible right now because um, all PowerPoint presentations are selected. So obviously in this folder there is no presentations. So what I am going to do, because I have to open the RTF document, so I'm just going to click on all files. So once I'm going to click on all files, so you will see that all of the files are there. Now let us see what is the file that is required. So J226 promotion. So this is the file that they are asking us to open. I'm just going to click on this and you will see that these 6 slides are open. So I am just going to save this file uh, in my, I just have to browse to my work work area that is on the desktop. So I just can save because they did not ask you to change the name or sort of thing. You can keep the same name by default, that's fine. So just click save. So now as we are done with the saving of the file, uh, here we go. So we are done up to this point. I'm just going to highlight this. Okay, next step is that the presentation should be based on master slide that you will design. So very important aspect of these presentations is master slide. So basically whatever you do in the master slide, whatever the things that you're going to do, formatting and sort of thing, those are going to be, you can say, visible or reflected in all other slides. So basically what the feasibility of the master slide is that you do editing in one slide and it's going to reflect on all other slides. So it makes your work easier. You don't need to edit each slide separately or individually. So you can do that in master slide. So for that reason, they are saying that the presentation should be based on master slide that you will design. Your slides must have consistent layout and formatting with following features on the slides. So all of these aspects we are going to do in our master slide. So I'm just going to highlight this. Now, how to open the master slide? You just have to click on view tab and there is option of slide master. Remember, this is very important. I'm going to stress this very much. Whenever you open slide master, you you are by default last slide is going to be selected. You can see that, but you have to scroll up and select the first slide because you're going to do all of the formatting in the first slide and it's going to be reflected in rest of the slides. So we are in the slide master view. Let us see next step what they're asking us to do. They're asking the company logo which is saved as J22 6 logo.jpg, and your name, center number, and candidate number, automatic slide number. So these things I just have to put in my presentation. So for that reason, what I'm going to do, they are asking us to put a logo. So for that reason, first of all, I just have to navigate myself to my source files, and here I have to find the logo. So here is the logo. I can just copy this logo here, and I'm just going to paste it on my master slide here. You can see, and here they did not ask you to resize. They have not given you the particular height and width of this logo. So what I can do, I can just arrange it at the top. Later I will see that just make reorganize these placeholders so that the text within these placeholders should not be overlapping. So like this is fine. Yeah. And then after that, they're asking the company logo. We already did that. Your name, center number, and candidate number. So it should be appearing on each slide. So for that reason, we can insert header and footer. So in this case, I'm just going to insert header and footer. So here you can say footer. So once I click on footer, you will see, if I just zoom in, you will see center is selected. So whatever I'm going to write here, it's going to uh, it's going to be in the center. So in this case, I'm just going to write my name, uh, center number. Suppose I'm just going to write assumed center number. You have to write your own center number, and obviously you have to write the candidate number as well. So just click on apply all. So now this is going to take effect on all of the slides. We have included the logo, we have included what you can say, your name, center number, and candidate number. Next step is that if I just go back here in my, so the company, your automatic slide number. So we are done up to this point. I'm just going to highlight this. uh, okay, so automatic slide number. So again, I have to go to header and footer, and you can see there is a slide number. So apply to all, it's going to apply on all of the slides. So if I just go get out of this slide master view, I just have to click on slide master, and you will see that slide number, automated slide number is there. You can see 6 slides. And also you can put on the left side, right side, it's up to your choice, uh, because they did not specify. Fine, but by default setting is fine, so I am okay with that. And you can see that if I just scroll down, there is no overlapping and everything is uh, going good. So let us see next instructions. So I'm just going to highlight this as well. Set animation on the bullets so they appear one by one. So all of the bullets you have to apply the animations. So just click here, this entire placeholder, click on animation, and you can select any animation. So I am comfortable with the fade one. So I'm just going to select all of these and apply these animation on each of the bullets. Fine. So I'm now on fourth slide. So just select this, and then fifth slide, again select this and animation, and click on crew, and there select the entire placeholder. You can see this four-headed arrow. So select this entire thing and then click on fade. So now you can see that all of these are animated. Okay, next step, we are done with this. Okay, so for this step, that you have to take a screenshot of those animations. So you can see that all of the bullets have these animation. You can take a screenshot of this and put it in your evidence document. Set a slideshow so that it loops continues on the screen. So whenever you play it as a slideshow, so it's going to continuously loops. So how to do that? This option, for the obviously it is going, we are going to get this option from slideshow tab, and then we have to click on setup slideshow, and you can see here loop continuously until escape. Fine. So next step obviously about this is that you have to take a screenshot evidence of this. So for that reason you can use shortcut keys, Windows Shift S. So once you're going to click, if you're using Windows 10 or 11, you can just take a screenshot of this and you can paste it in your evidence document. Or either case, you can use snipping tool. That is also another strategy. Okay, so we are done up to this point. Spell check the presentation for errors, save the presentation, print the presentation, 6 slides. So we just need to do the spell check. For example, here, this spell is incorrect. So from top here, just check for all of the spelling mistakes. So right click on that particular spell. You can see wherever it's highlighted red, it means that there is a spell mistake, and fix all of those mistakes. That's fine. We are done with that. And now save the presentation. Control S. I have saved this presentation, and print the presentation with 6 slides to the page. So simple. Control P, and there is an option here, full page slides, 6 slides on the page. So here I have to select this. You can see that 6 uh, slides on one page, we can take print of it. Fine. So yeah, so presentation part for this particular paper, it's done. So that is what you have to do within that slide master thing, and some of the formatting that is required outside of slide master, you can do that. So that is it for this particular instance. So thank you.